Hello students, how are all of you? Hope that you are enjoying very much your life. At this moment I have come here to teach you today about clause. Clause is the most important item in grammatical section. Many students say that it is not included in our syllabus, or it is not included in our academic activities, or it is not included in our curriculum. But this one is the most important item of grammar, because whenever you are in transformation of sentence, simple, complex, compound, or in completing sentence, or in modifier in college level, at that time there is no alternative to have knowledge of clause. That's why I would like to discuss here on this topic. Today's topic or today's grammatical item is clause. Then I would like to use now board. I hope that you can see well the writings of board. What is clause actually? What is clause? It seems that it will be very much difficult for the students of class 6, 7, 8. Not so difficult actually. If you think that it is so easy, I think you can understand well. What is clause? Part of long sentence actually. If I would like to give here the definition, what is clause? Clause is a group of words that is part of long sentence and that has subject and predicate. If I write here a sentence, you can understand well. I have written here, if you come, I will, if you come, I will go. That means two parts are here in this sentence. Two parts are there. This one is principal clause. This one is subordinate clause. Subordinate. I have to hurry up here because I would like to finish this session within 10 minutes. That's why you should be attentive enough, you should be careful enough to understand in which way I am teaching here now about clause. That means what is clause? Clause is a group of words that is a part of long sentence that has subject and predicate. I have written here a sentence. It is actually a complex sentence. Here principal clause and subordinate clause is given. If I say again, what is clause? Clause is a group of words that is a part of long sentence. Clause is a group of words that is a part of long sentence. This one is a long sentence and this one is a part. This one is another part. Clause is a group of words that is a part of long sentence that has subject and predicate. Clause is a group of words that is a part of long sentence that has subject and predicate. Clause is three kinds. Clause is three kinds. We have to know this one carefully, because you can say that clause is not important, but I have to say that clause is very much important for all of us. If you want to take your sentence under your control, if you want to keep your sentence under your control, that no mistake is in this sentence, then you must know clause and the classification of clause. Clause is three kinds. One, principal clause. This one is not actually very much difficult, but you have to have the interest. Principal clause. Two, number subordinate clause. Subordinate clause. Three, number coordinate clause. Coordinate clause. What is principal clause? The clause. The clause that can make its sense without depending on subordinate clause, that is called principal clause. Another name of principal clause is main clause or independent clause. Principal clause or main clause or independent clause is same name. What is principal clause? The clause which can make its sense or which can make its meaning without depending on other clause or subordinate clause is called principal clause. Such as, if I went there, I would help you. I would help you, principal clause. If I went there, subordinate clause. In this way, subordinate clause is found always in complex sentence. Subordinate clause, complex sentence. If I say here, what is simple, complex, compound? Simple sentence, the sentence that contains one clause is called principal clause. Simple sentence. Simple sentence. What is simple sentence? The sentence which has only one clause is called simple sentence or main clause. Subordinate clause or complex sentence. I would like to clarify you that here now, simple sentence, complex sentence, compound sentence, those are related to clause actually. Simple sentence, the sentence that contains one principal clause is called simple sentence. Complex sentence, the sentence that contains one principal clause, one or more than one subordinate clause is called complex sentence. That means in complex sentence there must have one principal clause, one or more subordinate clause. Then coming to the coordinate clause. Coordinate clause is found in compound sentence. The sentence which is with the help of coordinating conjunction and but or yet otherwise. Adding this coordinating conjunction, the sentence is made. At this time it is called compound sentence, or the sentence with the help of coordinating conjunction is made and it is called compound sentence. That means coordinating conjunction, coordinate clause is found in compound sentence. Subordinate clause and principal clause is found in complex sentence. In this way, what is principal clause? The clause which can add its meaning without depending on other clauses is called principal clause. Subordinate clause, the clause which cannot make its meaning without depending on principal clause is called subordinate clause. Coordinate clause, and but or yet otherwise, and but or otherwise, two or more independent clause or principal clause with the help of coordinating conjunction and but or yet otherwise. In this way the sentence is made and the sentence is called compound sentence. That means and but or yet otherwise added sentences are called compound sentence. And subordinate clause, in subordinate clause also there are many words I would like to give you later actually. Then if I would like to repeat it again, what is clause? Clause is a group of words that is a part of long sentence that has subject and predicate. I have given here a complex sentence. This part is principal clause, this part is subordinate clause, this one is subject, this are predicate. In this way, because I have said that clause is a group of words that is a part of long sentence that has subject and predicate. Clause three types: principal clause, subordinate clause, coordinate clause. Principal clause, the clause which can make its meaning without depending on other clauses is called principal clause. Subordinate clause or dependent clause, the clause which has to depend on other clause or principal clause to make its meaning is called subordinate clause. Coordinate clause is found in compound sentence. The two or more principal clause with the help of coordinating conjunction and but or yet otherwise the sentence is made, and in that case the sentence is compound sentence, and coordinating conjunction added part is called coordinate clause. Such as I went there and bought something, and bought something is coordinate clause. He came, but I didn't go. But I didn't go is coordinate clause. In this way, you can understand what type of sentence is. That means subordinate clause in complex sentence we find principal clause and subordinate clause. In compound sentence we find principal clause and coordinate clause in this way. And in simple sentence only main clause is found. If you feel that it is becoming very much difficult, then time and again you should repeat to watch the video, because clause is very much important and it is a little bit difficult too. So it is not so easy to understand so easily. You have to watch the video time and again. I think that in that case you will understand well. If I get time, I will try to make you understand more. Then principal clause I have said. Coordinating conjunction, these words are actually in coordinating coordinate clause we find. And, but, yet, or. And, but, yet, or. These types of words are found in coordinate clause. And this sentence, these words are found in coordinate clause. Coordinate clause is found in compound sentence. That means in compound sentence we find principal clause and coordinate clause. In complex sentence we find principal clause and subordinate clause. In simple sentence we find only principal clause in this way. In subordinate clause, actually in subordinate clause we find subordinating conjunctions. Though time is very short, that's why I cannot write all the words here. You can take help from your book. Subordinating conjunction. Conjunction is three kinds: coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, correlative conjunctions. So I have given here coordinating conjunctions. Then at this moment I am writing a subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction, many words are there, you can take help from. Then relative pronoun, if these types of words are found in any sentence, you can say that that is complex sentence. Relative pronoun, that means who, what, which. Then in some cases but, though there is many discussions on this word. Then relative adverb, which words are included in relative adverb such as why, where, when, how. These words are relative adverb. So if we find see that the words are, which words are contained in complex sentence, that means in complex sentence subordinating conjunction words, relative pronoun who, what, which, but, relative adverb why, where, when, how. If these words are found in any sentence, we can say that at that time the sentence is in complex sentence. If I write here some words for subordinating conjunction such as since, if, though. These words you can find easily from your book. Even in junior level books these types of words are found. So in complex sentence we will find subordinating conjunction, the words of subordinating conjunction, relative pronoun, relative adverbs. If these words are found in any sentence, at that time we must say that it is complex sentence. And in complex sentence there must be principal clause and subordinate clause. If these words are found in any sentence, at that time we have to say that it is in compound sentence. In compound sentence principal clause and coordinate clause will be there. At last I would like to repeat it again. What is clause? Clause is a group of words that is a part of long sentence that has subject and predicate. Clause three kinds: principal clause, subordinate clause, coordinate clause. Principal clause, the clause which can make its sense, which can make its meaning without depending on other clauses, is called principal clause. A subordinate clause, the clause which has to depend on other clauses to make its meaning is called subordinate clause. Subordinate clause is found in complex sentence. In complex sentence, one principal clause and one or more than one subordinate clause can be there. Coordinate clause, two or more principal clause or independent clause, with the help of coordinating conjunction, compound sentence is made. That means and, but, yet, or, otherwise. I haven't written also otherwise. Otherwise is also found there. I haven't written at the time. If these words are found in any sentence at the time, you can say that, but there must have a relation with verb in this case. I went there, but he did not come. But he did not come, coordinate clause, and this sentence is compound sentence. You have to identify what type of sentence it is and what type of clause it is. In compound sentence, one principal clause, one or more than coordinate clause. In complex sentence, one principal clause, one or more than subordinate clause is found. That means subordinate clause is related to complex sentence, coordinate clause is related to compound sentence. In this way, clause is very much important. Subordinating conjunction, if we find subordinating conjunction in any sentence, that is absolutely complex sentence. If we find the words of relative pronoun in any sentence, that is absolutely complex sentence. If we find the words of relative adverb, why, where, when, how, that is absolutely complex sentence. In this way, you must understand the sentence simple, complex, compound. Which one is simple sentence, which one is complex sentence, which one is compound sentence. If you identify in that way, there will be no problem. I think you can understand well now. I will discuss more later if I get time. It is already now 17 minutes, so it is becoming longer. So I would like to finish it today. If you feel any type of problem to understand it, please write anything, or if you have any query, please write on comment box. I will try to solve the matter. So that's all now. This